Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me today in my Esan class number 4. My name is Philomena Orbisi. If you are joining us for the first time, it means you have to go back a little bit to check the Esan class 1, 2, and 3 before you get here. Before I start, I want to quickly say thank you to all of you encouraging me to do this, especially the children who have never been to Esan and are speaking Esan, singing ABD. Wow, that is a huge encouragement for me to continue. Initially, it was just fun for me. Now, with all I see with the children here and at home, I am so excited and encouraged to do more. Thank you so much. I also want to thank my Esan family. Esan, oh yeah, oh yeah. I also want to thank my Esan family for cheering me on, and my husband who caressed me and put the dolls and where the dolls are supposed to be. Thank you to all of you. Let's do this together. Esan, oh yeah, oh yeah. Today, if you look at my board, we are going to be counting 1 to 10 in Esan. We already know 1 to 10 in English. If you look at this side, or actually 0 to 10, if you look at this side of the board, you see from 0 to 10. It's written in words and the numbers are on this side too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Also written in words there. This side of the board is the Esan version. So when we say 0 in English, it means nothing, right? 0 is equal to nothing in English. And the Spanish people will say nada, right? Okay, then in Esan, 0 is ihoho, ihoho. Why some other people call it ihoi? See, I have it written twice here because some people call it ihoho, some other people call it ihoi. There may be some other way people call it. Remember what I said in the beginning, that depending on the part of Esan we are, there is always a little different. But the good thing is we still understand each other. In my place, we actually call it ihoho, nothing. 0, ihoho, but some other people call it ihoi. It means the same thing, nothing. Ihoho, ihoi. It's actually very close. And it's interesting that, when we were studying the ABD, we did make mention of this E and said that this is not I as we say it in English, but E in Esan. Now, when we are pronouncing these words now, you will come to see how your ABD come to play. Even when we did the 2-letter alphabet, you will see the 3-letter word, you will see they all come to play and they help us to pronounce this easily. So now 0 is ihoho or ihoi. 1 is o, 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 or opa. Again, some part of Esan call it o, some other part call it opa. Is the same thing. Opa, which is 1. O, which is 1. So whichever parts, whichever one you choose to use, they mean the same thing. Just know that 1 is o or opa. So 2 is eva, eva, eva. You see, A-V-A, eva, A-V-A, eva. So 2 is equals to eva in Esan. 3 is ea, ea, ea. That is 3. 3 is ea. Just kind of drag it. Ea. A and A coming together there. Ea. Then 4 is ene, ene. 4 is equals to ene in Esan. 4 is ene in Esan. 5 isen. You guys understand and you hear me pronouncing that word clearly? Isen, isen. A, E, E, O, O. They are all coming to play. Isen. 6 ehan, ehan. 7 ihilon, ihilon. 8 elele. See? Elele. 9 isinli, isinli. 10 igbe, 10 igbe. I want to just pick out a couple of things here. When we did the 2-letter alphabets, if we remember Okpa, you remember this KP, remember the he, P here, we say P. We remember that, right? He and P coming together. We use it there and here. See how it comes to play? Okpa. This is dot under the O, making it O. Now again, you see 2 O coming together here. One is actually O because of the dot under it, right? Okpa. Somebody was calling me. Okpa. The dot make this O. If you take the dot away, it become O. And that's why we have O here. You have O and O coming together and giving us O. That's one there. Then another thing I want to point out is the 10. Another 2-letter alphabet. Can you see that? The B, which we saw in the 2-letter alphabet also. B, E, Igbe, Igbe. So just have the E and then you have the B and the A coming in silently. We can also sing with this and it also helps it get stuck in our brain. Let's see. We're gonna sing from 1 to 10. Already just we have behind that 0 is ho-ho or ihoi. So we start singing from 1 to 10. 1 Okpa, or 1 O, 1 O, 1 Okpa, 2 Eva, 3 Ea, 4 Ene, 5 Isen, 6 Ehan, 7 Ihilon, 8 Elele, 9 Isinli, 10 Igbe. Right? 1 Okpa, 2 Eva, 3 Ea, 4 Ene, 5 Isen, 6 Ehan, 7 Ihilon, 8 Elele, 9 Isinli, 10 Igbe. That's how we sing with it. That will help. Okay, now let's demonstrate things here a little bit. Last time we talked about Ebe, right? And we said Ebe can either be the one you used to write or the leave outside. They are all Ebe in Esan. You only differentiate by saying Ebe Nagbe or Ebe Nate. I didn't remember to mention this. Ebe Nate also Ebe. They are all Ebe. So I have Ebe in my hand right now. Ebe Osewe Hona. Then Ebe Nagbe, Ebe Nate. What I have in my hand are 3 Ebe, right? Okay. So and then, oh, look at the word. The Bible is also Ebe. Ebe no hiale, right? Ebe no hiale. So let's see. one after the other. O, O, Eva, Eva, Ea, Ea, Ene, Ene, Isen, Isen, Eha, Eha, 6, Eha, 7, Ihilo, Ihilo. I have Ihilo in my hand right now. Ihilo. Elele. 8, Elele. Isili, Isili. Igbe, Igbe. Can we count it? Is it easy for you guys to count in my hand? Igbe, 10. And we said, we did mention this orally, right? Egally, orally. And I remember we say 1 is orale, many are egale. So I have egale be, 10 in my hand. Now, Udo. Udo. Remember when we were doing the 3-letter alphabets, we did say that we have Udo and Ido, right? This is Udo. Udo Okpa. Udo Okpa. Okpa O. Ido Eva. There are 2 now, plural. Eva. Ido Eva. Ido Ea. Ea. Ido Ea. Plural. Ido Ea. Ido Ene. 4. Ido Ene. Ido Ise. 5. I have 5 of them now. Ido Ise. Ise. 5. 5. Ise. Right? O. Eva. Ea. Ene. Ise. 5. Okay. Ebe. Ebe. We're going to count this one now too. These are Ebe in my hand. A leaf. Ebe ewe. How many? O. O. Eva. 2. Eva. 2. Eva. 3. Ea. 3. Ea. Ea. 3. Ea. 4. Ene. 4. Ene. 4. Ene. 4. Ene. 4. Ene. 5. 5. I have 5 in my hand now. 5. 5. 5 is O. Eva. Ea. Ene. Ise. 5. Eha. O. Eva. Ea. Ene. Ise. Eha. Ihilo. 7. Ihilo. 8. Elele. 9. Isili. 10. Igbe. Okay, let's count it now. 1. Okpa. 2. Eva. 3. Ea. 4. Ene. 5. Ise. 6. Eha. 7. Ihilo. 8 elele, 9 isili, 10 igbe. Igbe. And I have 10 fingers too. Igbe, ikpabo igbe, 10 igbe. Are we getting it? All right. So let's practice this. 1 o 2 eva, 3 ea, 4 ene, 5 isen, 6 ehan, 7 hilon, 8 elele, 9 sili, 10 igbe. Let's practice that, and from there we continue to 11 to 20, and then 30, 40. It gets, more interesting from there. Thank you for joining me. Let's go home and study this. God bless you all.